What'd I do with it?
What do you mean? Go grab me the coil.
We haven't unboxed it yet. It's still in the box.
Slowly.
That was slow. Dude, this is so much lower. Oh my god, dude. Dude.
You know what you want?
That's not one finger, dude. This is like half a finger. Let's see how much clearance I have. Dude, I have like no clearance at all. This definitely feels a lot more comfortable. Oh, what was that? Okay. This is everything that we have for the coilovers. We probably don't need all of this shit, but I've never done this before. He's never done this before. I'm playing. He's a mechanic. He works at AutoZone.
No.
For 2 years, he's been working at AutoZone. So we know exactly what we're doing. So this should take at least 30 minutes. 30 minutes to like 2 hours. And if not, then we'll just do the front two today and then the back two tomorrow.
No, I have shit to do tomorrow. We're doing all 4 right now. And the only reason I'm like scared about it is because I have dinner tomorrow night. So if I mess up, like I'm kind of screwed.
You just have to Uber. And then we have mangoñadas, raspados, and a cord.
Yeah, of course. Give me.
Okay, let's get this car jacked up. Flip it.
Why would I flip it?
If it f***ed up that, I don't want it to f*** up that side. I want to f*** up the back side.
Do you understand the back is what's getting on the middle right now? If I flip it, this is gonna get scratched.
Oh shit, you're right. Yeah. So I'm gonna try my best to explain what the I'm doing. So we're gonna replace this suspension. Basically, what that does, it's how your car feels when you drive. Basically, it's like besides your tires, the suspension. I don't know. I just know that it's gonna make my car look sick as shit once it's lowered. And I can do tighter turns too. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking off this bracket that attaches the brake line to the actual brakes so that we can remove.
Yeah, you were tight in there, bro. Actually, no, you weren't. That was wrong.
Okay, come on.
You can't run. What is it?
It's a blaster since 1957. It's like lube.
Oh.
But for a car.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, right? That's Alex's Integra. It's been on the channel before.
Now run back.
Okay, come on.
Okay, let's race.
So just spray it on the top, and then soak in. It should help. Come loose. You have to give it like a couple minutes. Though.
Oh, does that remind you of something?
No.
Fucking nasty.
I was talking about when you open a soda can. You're both freaks. Ugh.
There you go.
First one's out.
I can't let this go.
What'd I do with it?
What do you mean? Go grab me the coil.
We haven't unboxed it yet. It's still in the box.
Alright, at least you got it for the video.
So the moment we've all been waiting for. Unboxing. You're almost as thin as the tree. My CSGO knife cost $7,000. That's all f***ed up. Dude.
Damn.
That's really f***ed up. Oh, does this come with stickers? It comes with the decal. I'm gonna put that shit on. Oh.
Wow.
You still recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow, that looks so nice.
Oh, what the?
Dude, this shit is f***ing nice. Look, soft and hard. What am I? I'm hard as shit right now.
Oh, it's adjustable dampening?
Yeah.
Oh, he left and right.
Twist it to hard. Cause I'm hard as shit right now. It's fire.
Hey, you get sway bars.
Oh, sick.
Wait, you get sway bar links.
I
That's
get sway
sick.
bar links. I'm just gonna call it sway bars. I'm not into Zelda. Where's that one thing? There's this special tool that you do to like adjust the. I've always wanted one of these.
That's gonna be hard. Cause bro, on my car, all of these are loose. No, the spring itself is loose. Do not get in my car, bro. That shit falls.
I know. I'm pretty sure I've said it. Your car's like held together by zip ties and band-aids. Like I'm a Wolverine.
Hey, sun's setting. Hurry up.
Well, we're almost done.
The sun's setting. We've barely done the front, bro.
It's fine. It's fine. Come over here. For whatever reason, that other side was all loose already, but this side was hard as shit to unscrew everything. But we finally got it. what we did really quick in simple turns, the thing that makes the car go stoppy, we unplugged that. We also undid a whole bunch of this shit. And then also the arms for the cars, we just took them off. Basically, that's all we're doing. You didn't disconnect this one?
What is that?
I didn't disconnect this.
I didn't disconnect that. I didn't even have that on my side.
What? Thank you. That was so bad.
No, it's pretty light, bro. Yeah, this whole piece is coming down, that's why.
This joint is all loose.
Oh.
So it's like if your arms had no support.
Have you ever fell asleep?
Oh.
And your arm, you can't feel your arm at all, and you can just move it? That's what it's like.
Dude, this side is so much easier.
I just get what went in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're taking a quick break. We lost sunlight, so
bro, you can't fucking play the song. Oh, Mk4.
my white speaker is no longer white.
My fault, bro. Look what we found.
Yeah, oh my god. We finished the front side. Here are the fronts.
Damn it, show.
So right now we just removed the felt on the back of the trunk. So all this is out so that we can get into the bolts. Right here we have this one right here and that one. And then these two. And then for the back, we just have these three right here. 1, 2, 3. And then we're good to replace it. Hopefully the back goes quicker, but I don't want to jinx us. So
Do you like ranch or no?
Hell yeah.
so look at this shit.
This shit is gas. Look at this.
Damn.
Look at this one. Damn.
We got Asian zing.
What the hell is that? Korean
No,
barbecue?
we got
Spicy Korean.
Yeah, spicy Korean. Some carrots, because we gotta have balance.
Good time to eat. Do we have forks?
Oh.
Back to work. We got a slave working.
Yeah, I'll help you on this side so we can finish this up, wrap it up, and I can go to my bed and sleep.
It's only 10.
Exactly.
Is that spider web?
Huh?
There's spider webs down here. Oh, the first rear is out. Now this is a more accurate size of my penis.
Yeah.
Give me the damn coil.
That's right, we need the coil.
It's like 10:30, bro.
Ta-da! The
My-
new one.
Yay.
Wait. I can't see shit.
This thing, it's right here, bro. Look.
Look at how I'm doing this.
Oh, wow.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, how is this supposed to go over there?
Yeah, like this.
Is Eli using his headphones?
What the f? Or this side is a lot easier than the front side because the back, like, we really don't have to worry about a lot. We're almost done. Wish us luck. Please, man, please. 3 out of 4 almost done. Woo! Victory suck dick.
No, what?
12:27. We finally got the 3 bolts out for this side. So I think we did the order wrong because these 3 bolts, like, they came out a little crooked. So it was stuck up against the brace. So we couldn't get it out, but we finally got it out. So now we just needed to move this coil over. Oh, what is it stuck on? Right, it's stuck on.
Yes.
Oh my god, more pieces are stuck. Being the genius monkey I am, I reattached the strut. Now with the mighty hammer, I cut it loose.
And it's still not out.
It's stuck again.
You got it stuck again?
Dude, it got stuck again.
Bro, it's literally back. Why are you pushing it backwards?
I'm pushing it in like this so I can get it out. The monkey learns.
Yo! I'm gay, bro. Chill.
So, all 4 coilovers are in. The rears. Oh, thank you. Look at my flashlight. Since the last one broke, everything's on. And it looks so shiny, especially on the top. Look at that. Wow. Look at that shit. Oh my god. Once I get a strut and clean this engine bay up, I'll be able to open my hood and pretend like I know shit. Awesome. We're just gonna put on wheels, take it off the jacks. Look at the night sky. Wow. I have work in like 3 hours.
Up at 5 in the morning, but it's 1:03.
It's 1:30. Nice. The wheels are on. It's time to jack the car down. Wait, I wasn't recording. Oh shit.
God.
Look how weird this shit looks, bro. Okay, we are a little scared because it looks really weird, but I think that's just because we need to adjust it. And because it's still on the jacks on this side. So let's see.
So how about you put the camera down and start slowly.
That was slow. Dude, this is so much lower. Oh my god, dude. Dude.
Your one finger.
Fuck.
You know what you wanted?
That's not one finger, dude. This is like half a finger. One finger is like I have one finger of space that could like go in. What do you mean?
Bro, look at the bag. You can't even, my fingertip is in there. You could probably run this, but you have to rub the fenders.
No, I'm gonna lift it, obviously. This is way too low. Dude. I could barely tell this lowered, honestly.
You can't tell it's lowered? Front, that shit is so low.
Oh, shit. Okay, guys, so this is the car lowered. Look at this shit, bro.
Wow.
Dude, it is freaking 2 in the morning. Dude, look at this shit. It looks so much better lowered.
Yeah, it does. I like it a lot better now.
Yeah. So now just imagine some side skirts and a spoiler. Let's see how much clearance I have. Dude, I have like no clearance at all. We're gonna go on a drive. It's 3 in the morning. This shit better feel smooth as butter. The only thing is though, I have like literally an inch of clearance. So speed bumps are gonna be a f***ing bro. And dips, oh my god, I'm gonna have to go like 5 miles an hour. But it's okay. Hopefully this is worth it. We're gonna have to go at an angle. That's not so bad.
That wasn't that bad.
That wasn't so bad, huh?
No.
It literally just feels a little butterier, like if I just oiled my shit, basically. That's the best way I can describe it, because before it felt a little rough.
Yeah.
Right? It feels a little,
Yeah.
it feels smoother now, huh? This definitely feels a lot more comfortable. Oh, fuck! What was that? So it doesn't do good on bumps, but it does good on the road. Turning feels a lot smoother.
Yeah.
But I do feel like I need to like tug it more. You get me?
Oh.
Like I need to put more force into the wheel almost. I don't know if what I actually did anything. I don't fucking know what the fuck I did. I just know now that the car's lower, I can definitely fuck something up if I'm not careful in the bottom. But it does feel nicer. We are gonna go up to the canyons to try it out. Once I figure out the clearance issue, once I like raise it just a tiny bit. But for right now, I'm not rubbing. Thankfully, I would have been able to hear that like I'm rubbing in the back. For right now, I should be able to get home so that the next day we can just fix it all up. It's a pretty simple fix. Ooh! Hey, stop right there! Stop right there! Bow, 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 bow.
Just hit the flag.
That shit's burning my fucking face.
Yeah, I can hold
What is this, a 14?
What the fuck is going on? Guys, so we messed up a little bit, but it's okay, because low-key this is like the best type of mess up, because it's like the cheapest probably. All we did was rip that bushing right there. Right here. It's just ripped just a tiny bit, but I feel like out of all the mistakes we could have made, that was the best one. Still a mistake, but we figured it out. We're gonna redo it. I have work at 7 in the morning.
Oh my god.
I don't want to hear it, bro. Hey!
I'm gonna drop the camera. Not a very good camera person. Or runner.
Hey, Michelle. Hey, Michelle. Say hi to the camera. Hey. Ahí va la primis. Hey, long time no see. Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh, my wheel is gone.
Bye vlog.
Good night.
Good night.
Besitos.
Buenas noches.
Buenos nachos.
Bye bye.
Buenas noches.